The Singer M1500 mechanical sewing machine is a reliable and durable option for those who are looking for a sewing machine that can handle a variety of projects. It features a wide range of built-in stitches and functions, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers. The machine's mechanical functions are intuitive and easy to use, allowing users to produce consistent results every time. The range of built-in stitches is versatile, and it can be used for a variety of projects, from basic hemming to more advanced garment construction. The machine also includes an automatic needle threader, which makes threading the needle a breeze and saves time. The machine is also lightweight, making it easy to transport, which is great for those who need to take their sewing machine with them on the go. It also has a convenient storage area built in to keep accessories, and the machine comes with an instruction manual and a set of accessories to get started right away. The Singer M1500 mechanical sewing machine also offers an excellent value for the price. It has a sturdy construction, and it is built to last, making it a great investment for those who are serious about sewing. The machine is also backed by a 25-year limited warranty, giving users peace of mind. Overall, the Singer M1500 mechanical sewing machine is a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use option for those who are looking for a sewing machine that can handle a variety of projects. It offers a wide range of built-in stitches and functions, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers. It is lightweight, easy to transport, and offers an excellent value for the price, making it a highly recommended option for anyone in the market for a new sewing machine.